Hello everyone, let's talk about Shopify $1 plan. Shopify's $1 per month plan is a promotional offer for new users, allowing you to try their services for 3 months at a significantly discounted rate. How to be eligible for this plan? You have to be a new Shopify user, no existing accounts. Sign up with a valid email address that hasn't been previously used with Shopify. Create only one store under this promotional offer. Let's get to know more about this plan. You will get a 3-day free trial. You will only be paying $1 per month for the first 3 months on selected plans, Basic, Shopify, and Advanced. Access to all necessary features to build your online store and accelerate growth. After the promotional period, standard pricing applies, starting at $19 per month for the basic plan or $29 per month as shown on some Shopify pages.